How to install solid connections on truss docks. Position 2 truss dock sections end to end, ensuring the bolt holes are aligned. Starting on one side, insert 2 bolts into the inside corner of the frame, but leave them slightly loose. Next, place a flat connector bar horizontally on the outside of the frame and insert 2 bolts, one in each dock section. If the bolts do not go straight into the holes, angle them outward inside the flat and then push them through. Using a 3/4 inch wrench, fully tighten all bolts to secure the solid connection. Repeat this process on the opposite side of the truss dock. Making sure your truss dock sections are solidly connected will make it easier to move the dock as one complete piece. The removable decking panels can be left off until the dock is in place to remove unnecessary weight from the dock. Depending on the length of your dock, you should be able to simply push it into the water. You can safely move up to 48 feet of dock at one time. Contact your local Porta-Dock dealer with any questions.
No matter how you enjoy lake life, Porta-Dock has what you need. Crafted for the lake, made for memories.